Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set multiple take profits in TradeLocker in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on TradeLocker.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside before basically setting the multiple take profits, you need to understand one important thing. In TradeLocker, you usually cannot attach multiple take profit levels to one single position directly like some of the advanced platforms. So instead, you can create multiple smaller positions. For example, if you want to purchase gold with one lot, so instead of putting the order with one lot right away, what you can do is you can divide that into two trades or four trades. So if you decided to add the two trades, you can divide it into two, like half lot each, or for four, you can divide it into, let's say, with 0.25 four times. So this is going to give each trade its own TP level. So here, let's say I'm currently here on gold, and after that I'm going to open my position. So this is my first position. So let's say I'm going to enter into this trade with the second position available. So when I have my positions available over here, you can just simply take a look at the positions here by selecting this particular option. So this is my first position, and I'm going to click on this pencil icon right next to it. Now over here, select the option of take profit, and you need to select the take profit for it. For example, let's say I set the take profit for this particular position at 4676 and then click on the option of confirm. Now I have the second trade available. So here I'm going to select the take profit, and I'm going to select the take profit it on 4686. So that's how you can have multiple take profits here in TradeLocker. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.